Moving on to the next drawing of today's video, we can learn how to make a really cute cartoon who looks like number 1. As we know, the cartoon looks like the number 1. We will of course start with drawing the number 1 and then we will perform the steps as shown in the video to make the cartoon, and then we will color the cartoon with various shades of different colors as shown in the video, and the cartoon is ready. Moving forward to the last drawing of today's video, we can learn how to make a cute cartoon with balloon all over his head. Firstly, we'll draw the body of the cartoon and then his cute eyes, his small smile and the balloons. Thank you for watching the video. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we can learn how to make a cute cartoon who looks like a vegetable. We will firstly start by drawing the head of the cartoon, which is almost same as a vegetable. Then we will draw the eyes and the body and the hands of the cartoon, and after drawing it we will color it with different shades of color as shown in the video, and the cartoon is hereby ready. Moving on to the next drawing of today's video, we will learn how to make a cute tiny cartoon who is blowing a heart in the air. Firstly, we'll draw his round face and then the body of the cartoon, and then we'll draw the eyes and then the heart which he is blowing in the air, and after performing the steps, we'll color it.